Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dips in Chocolate. So today, I'm gonna talk about tips, I'm gonna talk about strategies. Today, I'll be representing my school, Oberlin High School, by singing the school song. So please sit back, relax, dive into the comment section, tell me how my sound, tell me how the song sound. I'm going to give it like a little remix. Yeah, I'm going to be singing it a cappella too. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell to be notified. And guys, remember, I'm on the road to 2K. So tell a friend, to tell a friend, tell a family, to tell a family to go and subscribe to Dipped in Chocolate's YouTube channel. From the hills of St. Andrew, the Oregon rises, the green and burgundy lighting up the skies, where shining stars guiding all the rest in everything we do. We give thee thanks for all of the best. Oberlin, Oberlin High School. Now therefore give me this mountain, Hunc Montem Mihi, where always ready for the challenge, Hunc Montem Mihi. Now therefore give me this mountain. Yes, guys. So I have been wanting to sing my school song for you guys for a long time. So if you like the school song, please drop it in the comment section. Be a fair emoji. If you like my voice, please drop it in the comment section. Tell me how my sound. Alright, if you don't want me to do a remix of the school song, or if you don't want me to sing it with the instrumental, drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.